This is continuation of first video. Now I will explain fourth bit. Rahul cuts a square vertically in the middle. First I will draw the square. Rahul cut a square vertically in the middle. Name the figure. Vertically means standing line. Horizontal means sleeping line. Okay. The square will be he cut the vertically. Vertically means vertically it will be standing line. If you cut the square like this, what is the shape of this one and what is the shape of this one? What shape this one? Rectangle. Yes or no, children? If you cut the square, what shape will be formed? Rectangle, rectangle. That answer will you write it here, rectangle. Okay. Their opposite sides are equal. These two sides are equal. Okay. All sides not equal, rectangle. Opposite sides only equal. Coming to fifth bit. Tick the quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral four-sided polygon. Four-sided polygon. Here some diagrams are given which is the four-sided. First diagram we observe. Triangle. Triangle is four-sided? No. Next they give the rectangle. Rectangle is four-sided. Here in these curved lines are there. C1 we have curved lines. It is not polygon. Okay. Coming to D1, here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why it is quadrilateral. Coming to E1. Coming to E1. Here how many sides there, children? You count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-sided is quadrilateral? No. 4-sided is shape. 4-sided polygon is quadrilateral. Even also not a quadrilateral. Coming to F1. Here 4 sides are there. You tick that option. Okay. Coming to G1. Here how many sides are there, children? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-sided is not quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means 4-sided polygon. Okay. Coming to H1. Here how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. H1 is 4-sided. Coming to I1, here how many sides, children? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-sided is quadrilateral? No. 4-sided is quadrilateral. Which is the 4-sided? That options you tick it. Understand? Yes. Here let us try 3.2 is completed. I'll go to book C. Book A 3.2 is completed. I'll go to 3.3. This is a book C. In this book C 3.2 polygons. What is the topic name? Polygons. Here mention the today date. After first question, complete the sentence using the correct option. Yes, first one, polygon is consist of only curved lines, only straight lines, both curved and straight lines. What is the polygon? Already I told. Only it has the straight lines. First option is wrong. Only curved lines polygon consists of? No. Only straight lines. Both curved and straight lines. Third option. Third option also wrong. Only second option is correct. Coming to B1, polygon made up of at least 3 line segment. 3 or more line segments. Here at least how many line segments we require? 3. First option is 2 line, wrong. Second is 3 line, it is correct. Third one is 4. 4 also correct. But at least form a polygon means we require 3. 3 or above. At least means minimum how many line segments we want? 3. 4 also it is the polygon. They are asking the question in the at least means required minimum line segments are 3. The option is correct, second one. Coming to second bit, fill in the blanks. A polygon with one side more than a quadrilateral is called quadrilateral. One side more than. Quadrilateral means 4. One side more than means plus 1. 4 plus 1 how much children? 5. 5 means what is a polygon? Pentagon. 5-sided polygon is pentagon. Okay. Coming to B1. A polygon 2 sides less than the nonagon. Nonagon means 9. Nonagon means 9. 2 sides less than means minus. 2 sides means 2. 9 minus 2 how much? 7. 7 means what is a polygon? In previous diagram you see it once. Heptagon. 7 means heptagon. Understand children? Yes. Coming to C1, a polygon with 2 sides more than hexagon. Hexa means 6. 2 sides more than means plus 2. 6 plus 2 how much children? 8. 8 means octagon. 8-sided polygon is octagon. Okay? Understand? Yes. Second bit, first bit is completed. Coming to third bit, tick the hexagons. Here some diagrams are given. Which is a hexagon? Hexagon means 6-sided. 6-sided shape is we call hexagon. Count the sides Nana here. First diagram I am counting, you listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First diagram has 6-sided. 6-sided we call hexagon. Second one we count it. Each side we count one number. 1, 2. This is a 2. This is a 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all the 6-sided polygon. That's why this is a hexagon. First diagram, second diagram you took it. Coming to third one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will be there. 4-sided is hexagon? No, it is quadrilateral. 4-sided we call quadrilateral. Okay. Coming to down diagrams. How many sides will be there? Down one. First one I count it here. Down one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-sided is hexagon? No. 6-sided. It is not hexagon. Coming to next diagram. 1, 2, 3. 3. Here 3. You keep the numbers otherwise. Okay. 1 minute. Here fifth diagram is 6-sided. Coming to last diagram, how many sides will be there? You count it. Each side you count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you count it the numbers. It is 6-sided there, you can tick it. Okay, in this only first diagram, second and fifth diagram is hexagons. Understand children? Hexagons, once again I explain, hexagons means 6-sided polygon. Okay. Yes. Coming to next page. Here fourth bit is there. Tick the heptagon. Heptagon is you tick it and cross the octagon in the given set of figures. Tick the heptagon. Heptagon means how many children? 7. And cross the octagon. 8. 7-sided is you can tick that diagram. 8-sided diagram will be there that you cross out. Okay. First diagram I count it. First diagram I'll count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means it is not heptagon, not octagon, both not. Okay, leave this diagram. Coming to next diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 also it is not heptagon and octagon. Both condition is not applied. Okay. Coming to last arrow mark is there. We count it. 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-sided octagon we can tick it. The given condition 7 is tick it. 8 one is you can octagon is you can cross out. Okay. This is 7-sided means you can tick this diagram. Coming to next line. How many sides will be there this diagram? I'll count and show it to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-sided means octagon. Octagon diagram you can cross out. Okay. Coming to next diagram, how many sides will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-sided means we can tick this diagram. Count this diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-sided means octagon. We can cross out this diagram. Okay. Complete this 4th bit. Coming to 5th bit. Tick the pentagon. Pentagon means 5. 5 if it is sides will be there, you tick it. And cross the decagon. Decagon means 10. Which is a 10-sided polygon that you cross out in the given set of figures. First one we count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 10-sided. 10-sided polygon means the condition is cross out. The diagram will cross out. Coming to this one, next diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5-sided pentagon means we can tick the diagram. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-sided also tick the option. The diagram you tick it. Coming to down diagrams. You keep the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10-sided means this is a decagon. We can cross out this diagram. Okay. Coming to next diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, here one more also there. 1, 2 this line. Down 1, 3 and up 1, 4, 5, 6, here 7, here 8, 9, 10, 11. It is 11 there. That's why we not cross out, we not tick it. 5 will be there, we can tick. 10 will be there, we can cross out. Okay. Coming to last diagram. How many sides will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means the condition not apply. Okay. Understand children, whatever ticking that diagram stick and which is a 10 decagon that you cross out. Okay. Today homework you learn the types of polygon. 3-sided polygon, what is the name? Triangle. And 8-sided polygon name, what is that? Octagon. That names of the learn the oral and keep the video, one video. Okay. With the definition, polygon definition. And you types of polygon you learn with the names. Okay. And spelling also learn and keep your one video. Okay. That is today homework. Thank you children.